So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change background color on Exness. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your Exness account. Through there you can see accounts, performance, history of orders, Exness terminal, payments and wallet, insights, benefits, copy trading, support hub, profile and so on. So let's start off with clicking the Exness terminal. So opening up this, you can see your instruments, you can see open, pending, and closed. You can see your background here. So if you want to start setting up the background of all of that, you can just click somewhere and you can just click and hold to see values. You can also start to set it up so you can see some more options on there. And you can see this brush right here, which is going to give you those options to look through. And once you're here, you can see the option to get to settings. Once you are at your settings, you can just scroll down on here to get to canvas. So let's click on canvas. Once you're there, you can see your background and you can choose a gradient background. And from there, you can choose a lot of different colors. So you can see it's going to look something like that from now on. So this is just some random color I've chosen to give you an example. So it does depend on your preference, and strictly on your preference. You can just choose for it to be just solid. So black is the default one. You can choose, let's say, blue, and it may look better for you by using that color there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Exness or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.